Welcome back to Writing Workshop, boys and girls. Yesterday we worked on thinking of a topic, touching, talking, and drawing across pages about what we wanted to teach our readers about. Miss Allen's topic was all about teachers. So today we will continue to add labels, words, and sentences to each page that matches our pictures. If you need your alphabet chart, now would be a good time to get it. Your sight words, your blend chart, or any other tool that you think you need to help you write sentences today. Let's get out our books and watch Miss Allen as she models how we add sentences, words, and labels to each page. So remember, my topic is all about teachers. So I'm going to put teachers, all about teachers, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. On my first page, which is the introduction page, and I'm going to write a little intro at the bottom so my readers know that this is my introduction page. I wanted to teach my readers that teachers are community helpers. And remember, in social studies, we learned that community helpers are people who help others in the community, and a teacher is a community helper. So I wanted to teach that in my All About Teachers book. Teachers are community helpers. And remember, this is our introduction page and we can add more. So I'm going to say, in this book, I will teach you all about teachers. So in this book, I will teach you all about teachers. Okay. On page 1, my first detail or the first thing I want to teach my readers is that teachers help you read. Remember, we talked about that when I was drawing these pictures yesterday. Teachers help you read. So remember, boys and girls, we are also adding another sentence to each page. Last week, Miss Allen was very much encouraging you to add 2 sentences, at least 2 sentences to each page. So I'm going to say, teachers help you read. And what else do I know? Reading is fun. Okay? So I'm going to write, reading is fun. Okay, who can guess what I'm gonna write on this page? Yep, let's look at the picture. I see a teacher, she has her pointer, and it's saying, I love to write. And then I have a kid here with writing paper. So on this page, I'm gonna say, teachers help you write. So teachers help you write. What can be my second sentence? Yep. Yeah, I can write that. I can say writing is fun. But how about I say you can write snap words, right? Because we're using snap words in our writing for sentences. So I can say you can write sentences. You can use snap words to write sentences. But I think I'm going to say writing is fun. Because I see my student right here is smiling. So they're having a good time writing. Yeah? And this was my second detail. Now for my third detail. And remember, writers, when you write, you give 3 details, 3 things about your topic. So this is the third one that I'm going to write. And what do we see here? These are shapes. So let's label, because some people will not know what it is. I'm going to label the shapes. I'm going to label the teacher. And I'm going to label the student. All right? And then I'm going to say, teachers help you. What do we use shapes for? Yep, in math. So I'm going to say, teachers help you do math. Math is fun. Yeah, math is fun. And he's smiling. Okay. Oh, wow. This is a teacher, and this is our conclusion page. I'm going to put conclusion at the bottom. This is my conclusion page. Right? And in our conclusion, we can say, now you know all about teachers. Yeah? But how about we add something interesting, like a fun fact about teachers in our conclusion? I can say, teachers care. And you see how excited I am? I'm going to show you how we make our readers read with excitement. We add a exclamation point or exclamation mark. And now I can say, now you know all about teachers. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. Let's label our teacher, the teacher. And who are these? These are the students. All right. So let's see. Let's go back and read our book and make sure we have everything on there. So all about teachers, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. Teachers are community helpers. In this book, I will teach you all about teachers. Teachers help you read. Reading is fun. Teachers help you write. Writing is fun. Teachers help you do math. Math is fun. Teachers care. Now you know all about teachers. All right, boys and girls. Now it's your turn. You go back to your All About books. Make sure you have your topic. And make sure that you write your name so readers know who the author of the book is. Watch your pictures that you drew yesterday. Add labels, words, and sentences to your writing. See you tomorrow.